Looking for best dropshipping supplier in 2025? By watching this video, your search stop right here, because by end of this video, you will understand the key factor to choose the right dropshipping supplier. I'll show you the best dropshipping supplier one by one, so you don't need to research by yourself. Each supplier gets better as we move, so don't skip ahead. Trust me, the key features that you'll see are game changer for your business. Number 5 supplier on my list is SourcinBox. It offers many products in different category, giving you plenty of choice. Its low price help you to make more profit, which is great for your business. It works well with Shopify, WooCommerce and Shopify, making it easy to use. The platform is also simple to navigate, so even beginner can quickly find and add the products to their store. However, there are some downsides. Shipping can take long time, which may frustrate the customer and affect the repeated purchase. And some customers have complained about receiving the poor quality product, which can hurt your business reputation. Overall, while SourcinBox has useful features, but it's important to consider both benefits and drawback before using it. Spocket ranks 4th on my list of dropshipping supplier. Spocket is a well-known platform that connects user with high-quality dropshipping supplier, ensuring reliable products and building customer trust. You can also order the product sample directly from the Spocket dashboard to check the product quality before selling it. Most of the Spocket supplier based in US and Europe. It integrates smoothly with Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix and other platforms. Spocket offers wide range of premium and standard products from different categories. It also provides white label products, but this is currently limited to cosmetic and beauty products. However, Spocket has some downside as well. The number of suppliers are limited, especially for global shipping, as the platform mainly focuses on US and EU based seller. While some product has fast shipping, but it comes with higher shipping cost. Delivering to countries like US, Canada, UK and Australia can take 15 to 30 days, with shipping fees going up to $26 per item. Since Spocket works with high quality supplier, product prices are often higher, which can lower your profit margin. This can make it difficult to stay profitable in this business, and many new dropshippers struggle with it and eventually give up. Zendrop comes in 3rd place. It offers a variety of products and comes with 3 shipping options. Economy shipping, the cheapest option, delivering 15 to 30 days. Standard shipping, faster delivery, 7 to 15 days for US and 5 to 10 days to UK. Express shipping, only for pro user, 5 to 10 days for US, 3 to 9 days for UK and Australia. Zendrop provides a private labeling and private product listing for trending items. But these features or other best features are only available in Pro plan. One limitation is that Zendrop works only with Shopify. It is not compatible with WooCommerce or any other platform. If you're using WooCommerce or any other platform and want more feature without spending extra money, stay tuned. The next option I'll introduce will meet most of your need. CJ Dropshipping takes 2nd place on my dropshipping supplier list. It provides variety of products in different category. If you can't find the product that you need, you can source a product from AliExpress. The best part is that it integrates with any of your e-commerce store, giving you more flexibility. A great feature of CJ Dropshipping is mobile app, which let you manage your store from anywhere. You can track orders, update products, and keep your business running smoothly on the go. You can track orders, update products, and keep your business running smoothly on the go. Just like other, it has some drawback as well. Standard shipping time takes 25 to 30 days, which is affordable but slow. Some products can be delivered within 5 to 10 days, but this isn't reliable, making it harder for new dropshipper to choose the right product with consistent shipping time. CJ Dropshipping also offers premium services like private labeling, custom packaging, and printing, but these comes with the extra cost. While the platform has many features, but its user interface can be confusing for new dropshipper at first. Now it's time to reveal my final and the best dropshipping supplier, Fulfillman.com. They offer top-level dropshipping service that cover everything you need to run a successful dropshipping business. While it is shipping time, product quality and customer support, they go above and beyond. If you can't find the product in the product catalog of Fulfillman.com, just share the product URL or the image of the product to the Fulfillment sourcing expert team. They will source the product for you so that you can sell it right away. Let's take a look at what Fulfillment.com has to offer. Shipping time is crucial for any dropshipping business, and with supplier like AliExpress, Shipping can take 25 to 30 days. Choosing a faster shipping method can sometimes cost more than a product itself. Who would want to buy a product when a shipping cost higher than a product price? Right? In contrast, if you go to Fulfillman.com, then services, and then private line, here you can see Fulfillman.com delivers the product in 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany and Italy and Spain, and 3 to 5 days to UK and France. They also offer easy and convenient return and refund policy. If a customer receives a damaged product, they will refund you. If they get wrong product, Fulfillment will resend it for free. This trustworthy return and refund policy is not available on any other dropshipping supplier. Fulfillment.com also offers product photography service to improve the conversion, and it will showcase the product more effectively. Additionally, it integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and more, making it convenient to manage your store across various e-commerce sites. Plus, once you join Fulfillment.com, you can easily communicate and get immediate response via Skype. Another great reason to choose Fulfillment.com is their product quality. Fulfillment has their own warehouse in China where they keep the product as good as new for customer satisfaction. If you have a hot-selling product that sells really fast, you can keep your inventory in their warehouse for free. And when you receive a new order, they will ship the product directly with their own private line. They also offer custom packaging options like your logo on the package, flyer, business card, custom boxes, and more. To start with the Fulfillment.com, it's pretty easy. Just go to the first link in the video description and it'll take you to their website where you have to simply click on Get a Free Code button and run your profitable dropshipping business. So that's the end of this video. If you found it valuable, don't forget to hit the like button. That would be appreciated. For more dropshipping videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And that being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.